everybody, I'm Gabi and this is Gabi Tech. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for being here. If you're new, I would like to remind you to enroll for my special Divom D2 giveaway on 5,000 subscribers. If you want to know how to enroll for the giveaway, go back to the Divom D2 review. Divom D2 is a special Bluetooth speaker with a design of a mini retro computer with a lot of extras. So you would really like to have it. If you want to have it, enroll in the giveaway. Thank you very much. In today's video, we're gonna take a look at this Philips 4K monitor. The model is 328. The monitor is curved at small point for the best viewing angles you can have. There is adaptive sync technology especially for gaming. This monitor is gaming friendly. I connected it to my 1080 Ti graphics card. I know it's not a 4K card, but my card is overclocked to the maximum and it gives pretty nice frames in 4K Need for Speed Heat that you will see right now. The monitor has ultra wide color technology, and I'm not exactly the best driver, but it's okay. The type of the panel is VA with amazing viewing angles, with technology multi-domain vertical alignment, with a lot of static contrast for punchy and beautiful colors. You can use it for your office purposes. It's good for pictures, for surfing in the internet, movies and games, and a lot of graphic applications. The optimized technology with the ultra wide viewing angle gives you the viewing angle of 178 degrees on 178 degrees for the best quality. It has a flicker-free technology with a special mode low blue to keep your eyes protected. The cables from the back are clean. That's why this monitor can give you optimal cable management. There is a smart contrast technology for very rich blacks. The display has a special coating against flares, 3H 1500R curve. It's 16:9, 4K on 60 Hz, 140 ppi. Maybe the only thing that I don't like about this monitor is the lack of versatility. I can't tilt it, I can't lift it up. This is bad. I like lifting, tilting and playing with my monitors, and I'm happy that I have monitors that I can do this with. But you can't have full happiness. The colors are actually looking very nice. For this price, this quality is very good. Adaptive sync, everything is on point. For one budget 4K gaming monitor, you can even use it as a TV, I guess. 32-inch. Thank you very much guys for watching this little monitor review. I really recommend this monitor for people who don't have high budget. I know Philips is not exactly the monitor type brand. You're more used to see them on TVs, on kitchenware. But with this one, they make a good shot. They made a good shot with this one. For its quality, price quality, very good. Very good. I wouldn't personally take it as my main monitor because, you know, I'm spoiled. No, but if you're a gamer, you like console gaming and stuff, and you're not having exactly the amazing budget to buy something from Asus, Acer, so on, going for this is not a bad option. Thank you very much for watching this video review. Like and subscribe, and up with the ring bell button.